Welcome to Pelican's How to Replace a Pedal Arm. Make sure you remove the pedal drive from the kayak before attempting repairs. In the box you will find one pedal arm, one end cap, one screw, and one bungee cord. To complete this repair you will need a 15mm wrench, a 9/64 Allen key, and a pair of scissors. The first thing we need to do is to remove the affected pedal arm. Find the bolt that holds the pedal arm in place and use your wrench to loosen and remove the bolt. Do not throw away this bolt, as you will use it to attach the new pedal arm. Press and hold down the lever on the inside of the pedal arm to unlock the pin and simply slide it out of the main mechanism. Next, locate the screw at the top of the pedal arm. Use your Allen key to remove it as well as the end cap. Pull apart the pedal and the pedal arm and cut the bungee cord. Make sure you do not throw away the pedal, as it will be used on the new arm. Now it's time to reassemble everything with your new pedal arm. Make sure you install your pedal on the opposite side of the lever that locks the pedal arm in place. At the same time, make sure you line up the hole in the pedal with the hole in the pedal arm before inserting it. Place the end cap into position, noting that the pedal arm has grooves to help position the end cap properly. Insert the screw, assuming that you properly align the pedal when inserting it into the arm. Use your Allen key to tighten it into place. If the screw does not screw into place easily, make sure to recheck your alignment. Next, we will be inserting the bungee cord, which helps hold the pedal in a position that makes it quick and easy for you to slide in your feet. Start by knotting one end of the bungee cord. From the underside of the pedal, slide it through the top inside hole, then thread it through the back side of the pedal arm, pulling it through the front end. Pull the bungee taut and knot it as close as you can to the arm. The degree of tension in the bungee cord will dictate the resting position of the pedal. Once that is done, it's time to reinstall the pedal arm into the main mechanism. Press the lever and slide the arm into place. Release the lever and allow the locking pin to slide into the appropriate hole depending on the position you require. Finally, insert the bolt you previously removed and use your wrench to tighten it into place. You are now ready to get back out in the water. Feel free to leave any questions in the comment section below and check out the rest of our how-to video series.